Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with another really quick tutorial. If you're looking for a free text-to-speech app where you can use it unlimited amount of times without signing up, TTS Maker is exactly what you're looking for, and honestly, it has some pretty decent voices. Listen to this one.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
I mean, and this one here,
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool.
you probably heard that on a lot of them. But if you scroll down, you're going to see there's a bunch of them. And you can, if you scroll way to the end, even past the other ones that probably are limited, you're going to find that they're absolutely amazing. So I got a couple of sentences here. Let me just show you how to use it real quick instead of wasting your time. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and select our friend in the beginning, and I'm going to input the verification code in 8989. And then I'm going to hit convert to speech, and then it'll do it immediately.
Here is a simple text-to-speech that offers several free unlimited voices. You can insert pauses to improve the quality of the message.
And that's pretty much it. If you you can put as much text in there as it'll let you, and then you can just come back and recreate another one if you want. If you didn't like that, you could actually click in here and insert a pause, make any changes you want. Then you would still have to come back up here and put in the code again, hit convert to speech, and then it'll play it to you again. But you can keep changing it as many times you want. When you're done, hit download file, and that's pretty much it. Then you can play it.
Here is a simple text-to-speech that offers several free
and there you go. That's it, my friends. If this helps you, please consider liking and subscribing and share with your friends and family. All right, thanks for watching.